Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I will be making Tarragon chicken white sauce macaroni. But before starting, I want you all to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. To start with, we are going to take 2 chicken fillets and open them up. Using the meat pounder, we will hammer them slightly. In a bowl, we are going to add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon or according to your taste salt, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon ginger powder, 2 teaspoons of dried tarragon leaves, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. Now we will mix this all together. Now we will add the chicken, marinate it and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. In a grill pan, we are going to add enough oil to grease it. Now we will grill the chicken for 20 to 25 minutes or until it is completely cooked. Keep flipping the chicken in between. Cut the chicken in cubes or any shape you like. In a cup of hot water, add 2 bouillon cubes and mix it well to make chicken stock. In a pot, add 2 tablespoons of butter. One tablespoon of crushed garlic. Fry until the garlic turns brown. Add the prepared chicken stock. Bring it to boil and cook on high flame for 1 or 2 minutes. On low flame, add 500 ml of cream. Add 1 teaspoon or to taste salt, 2 teaspoons of crushed black pepper, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs, 2 teaspoons of tarragon leaves, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. Mix them well and cook on high flame for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of parmesan cheese. Mix until the cheese completely melts. Add the grilled chicken to the sauce. Reserve 1/4 of its quantity for the toppings. Mix, cover and cook on medium flame for 5 to 8 minutes. Add 400 grams of boiled macaroni. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Dish out the macaroni and top it with the reserved grilled chicken. Garnish your dish with some spring onions. Your macaroni is ready to serve. Do try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section of what you think about it. Please like and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon so you can receive my other recipes as well. Bye bye.